Hi everyone, do you like my new format to start the video? If you want to know how I created this AI video, then please keep watching till the end. I created this AI video using free AI tools. Now let's start creating.
हेलो, कैसे हैं आप लोग? क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं मैंने ये कैसे बनाया? जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Go to Google Chrome and type ElevenLabs. Then click on ElevenLabs. Here you can type your automated writings and here you can select the voice. I have copy pasted my writings. Here you can replay and hear the voice. There are many samples. Here you can see there are a lot of samples. You can choose any one. After you are satisfied with the voice, here you can see right corner there is a download button. Now go to Google Chrome again and type DID and click on DID AI. Now you click on the try it for free. You have to sign up an account to use this website. Here you can make your AI video. Click on the plus icon and select an image. After selection, you can see there is an audio button. Upload your own audio. Here I have uploaded my own audio. After uploading here, you can preview it or you can see how it looks like. There are many presenters. You can add your own or you can make one of your presenters here by writing the prompts. Then after that, this is the surprise that how you can create one. Go to Blue Willow and write imagine prompt a Pixar character. Then after that it will send the prompt to the server. It is sending command to the server. After that you can see a final photo has come. For till now, that's it. Bye-bye.